Hi there, thank you for stopping by. In today's video I show you how to easily create a flyer design for your business. To make this design we are going to use Canva and all resources used in this video are free of charge. So without wasting more of your time, let's get started. We are going to design using Instagram post dimensions which 1080 x 1080 pixels. You can do this by simply clicking on Instagram post, alternatively you can manually input the dimensions on custom size. We are now given a canvas to work on. So what's the wait, let's get started. We'll start by adding background. To do that, we simply need to go to Photos on the dashboard and search for the word satin, and that is the background we are applying today. Now that our background is sorted, let's add a shape on top of the background so whatever information we apply stands out. We'll also make this transparent so it differs from the background a bit. The next step is to apply some text on our design. For that we simply click on text from the dashboard and select our preference text from the ones provided. We'll then ungroup the text and also lock the shape on the top so it doesn't move around. Now let's add a logo for this business flyer. We'll use this text and replace it with our own details, and afterwards, we'll add some graphics by simply searching it on elements in the dashboard. Once that is done, we'll simply drag and drop some text to make it a slogan. Now that our logo is done, let's add services offered by this business as well as prices for each service offered or sold by this business. We're grouping this so it becomes one item. We're also duplicating this section so we list other services offered. After that we'll position this accordingly. The next thing now is to add some images to our flyer. We'll firstly start with adding frames, and that is where we are going to insert our images. To do that, we'll go to Elements, search for frames and select the type of frame we are looking for. We'll then position it accordingly. Now let's change frame color. Next step is to insert images to these frames. For that we'll search for images on photos in the dashboard, select our preference and insert into each frame. Now, let's add some contact details. For this we'll add some text and also add social handles accordingly. That can be found under Elements by simply searching Instagram icon or phone icon. This takes us to the end of today's tutorial. And this is the final product. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up. For more videos like this, please consider subscribing so you don't miss out on any future uploads. I hope to see you in the next video.